Hi friends, it's Miss Jodie here, and today we're going to do Mighty Minute 123, the animal-eyed bee. So Miss Jodie is going to walk around and pretend to be animals. I want you to see if you can guess what animal I'm pretending to be. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to give you some clues. The animal-eyed bee is gray. The animal-eyed bee sounds like this. Meow, meow, meow. The animal-eyed bee moves like this. Meow, 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 meow. Friends, what animal am I? You're right, I'm a cat. Good job, guys. The animal-eyed bee is green. The animal-eyed bee sounds like this. The animal-eyed bee moves like this. Friends, what animal is Miss Jodie being? You're right, I'm being a snake. It's kind of hard to be a snake because you have to slither on the ground. The animal-eyed bee is red. The animal-eyed bee says this. Tweet, 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 tweet. The animal-eyed bee moves like this. Tweet, 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 tweet. Friends, what animal am I? That's right, Miss Jodie's pretending to be a bird, and I'm a red bird. So I'm a cardinal. You may see cardinals outside. They're the super red birds with kind of the spikies on top of their heads. The animal-eyed bee is green. The animal-eyed bee says, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The animal-eyed bee moves like this. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Friends, what animal is Miss Jodie pretending to be? You're right, I'm pretending to be a frog. It's kind of silly to pretend to be a frog, isn't it? Bye, friends. I'll see you next time.